What do you think of LGBTQ and Pride Month? I'm gay and I'm too tired and stressed to be proud of being gay. No one in my life really cares anymore and it's just a thing. As a LGBTQ member myself, I honestly don't care for it. Corporates and media are hella fake in my opinion. I agree fully. I'm also in the LGBTQ community and find no value in it. I appreciate the validation, but truly Pride Month does not hold much importance to me. My gay friends say Pride Month is disingenuous bull crap. Personally, I have no opinion on it. I think it's a waste of time. I don't care that you're gay, stop shoving it down my throat. Just like how straight things are shoved down everyone's throat every other time of year. How? Literally 95% of relationships in media. Because most people are straight. If you want gay stuff, you need to find it. Why do they have to tell everyone? When they told nobody, the only people that wanted to know, assaulted and murdered them.